choosing Riway? Nasagot na kasi ni Cyril kanina eh. Why would you choose Riway? And I agree. 100% I agree. If I had stayed in a clinic, because that is the only way some of the medical doctors makakabawi sa expenses when they own their own clinic and they earn directly from the revenue of their own clinic, dyan makakabawi. But if you're a regular doctor employed in a private clinic, pumapatak na 35,000 average ang salary ng isang general practitioner. Did you know that? Ang ating salary ay katumbas ng call center. I know a lot of medical doctors who use angkas and joyride. I know a lot of them who still eat in Carinderia. I know a lot who hasn't even traveled out of the Philippines. Iba ang ekonomiya ngayon. And so, ang sabi ni Cyril, if you choose to do your own small business, pag wala kang oras, there goes your income. Wala rin papasok na business. And so I chose Riway. For the past 8 years, I have actually earned things that I have never dreamed of earning in my lifetime. Wow! Nakaranas ako ng 5 milyon na income per month, all because of Riway Philippines. I do not know anyone in the medical professional team who would earn that much in a month. Pero mind you, I am a good taxpayer. Palakpakan naman natin yung mga BIR compliant dyan! Yung mga nagpapapit ng OR, palakpakan yan! Makabayan yan! So, okay. So, the beauty of Riway, balik tayo dyan, ha?
Yan lang niluwas niya, BIR niya eh.
Do you see what's on the screen? Medyo familiar ba yung katabi ko? What's his name? Eric. Eric is my husband. And he is 70, almost 70. 30 years ang agwat namin ng asawa ko. Palakpakan niyo naman ako for being very, very tolerant. And we've been married for almost 17 years. You see, when we started, wala pang opisina ang Pilipinas. Wala pang Riway office in the Philippines. We were here in 2015 with Teo. Tayo, Teo. We were with our TVD Pegasus Teo. Wala pang opisina 2015. But Eric he came from a family of developer. They literally have a lot of buildings. A lot. Hindi yung maliliit na building, talaga yung malalaking buildings. We even own Standard Chartered law firms, apartments, hotels, etc. No? But he chose to see the beauty in pure deer. It was a leap of faith. It was a calculated risk. It was something that would require us to make adjustments. Pero he saw it and he decided to market in the Philippines. And because of my husband and Theo's dad, Raymond Tong, and Theo himself, the Filipino group came about in the Philippines. And so I am happy to share the achievement that we had just about last month. My husband has attained one of the highest ranking in the Philippines. We've achieved a Team Supreme Pegasus 1 ranking. At kung may tinatawag na organic fight without fertilizer, literal, ayan ang ginawa ng asawa ko for being a very traditional businessman. I am very, very, very thankful kung pwedeng lumuhod sa stage, pero masasayang naman yung concealer sa tuhod ko. I am very, very grateful to all the leaders, especially the team elites under Eric Chok, for making gapang-gapang the fight month over month para magkaroon kami ng pinakauna naming Supreme. And this is the beauty of Pure Tier when teamwork is at the foremost of everyone's priority. Pinaplakpakan namin. So, ladies and gentlemen, when you are with us, and it really doesn't matter kung bata ka pa, dalaga ka na, may asawa ka, retiree ka, we are one big family. We are literally together in all the goals, in all the events, in all the incentives, in all the